गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Gauranitai 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 Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Jaya Prabhupada 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki Jai Gaur Premanande Hari
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Ramesh Gaurang Prabhu. Oh, Hare Krishna. You change your house, Vinod Prabhu?
No, Prabhuji, it's virtual background.
Oh, मुझे
We'll
लगा
change only the drawing room, Prabhuji.
अच्छा मुझे लगा मैं क्या लिविंग रूम चेंज हो गया प्रभु जी का अच्छा okay. So Hare Krishna. So welcome to our Saturday evening Bhagavad Gita session. Namo Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Vanchakalpatrubhyascha Kripa Sindhubheva cha Patitanam Bhavnebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Jagat Guru Shri Prabhupada ki Jai. Hare Krishna. So we have an interesting words today. Actually, yesterday, in a different session, we had a class on the question on the demigod worship. और and today we have the shloka on demigod worship. Many people get confused on demigod worship. भक्ति में आने के बाद भी बहुत बार जो भक्त लोग हैं उनको डेमीगॉड वर्शिप, देवी देवताओं की वर्शिप के बारे में, पूजा के बारे में ठीक से समझ में कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होते हैं। और उसका रीज़न यही रहता है कि हम प्रभुपाद की पुस्तकें नहीं पढ़ते हैं। और जितना हम प्रभुपाद की पुस्तकें पढ़ेंगे उतना ही हमारा जो इंटेलिजेंस है it becomes sharpened and sharpened, and we can be one dovetailed with the intelligence of our uh, founder Acharya. और मैं एक बात आपको सबको कह सकता हूँ बड़े विश्वास के साथ कि जो भी उत्तर हैं, जो भी प्रश्न हैं, उनके सबके उत्तर भगवद गीता में बड़ी आसानी से मिल जाते हैं। Sometime the devotees send those WhatsApp messages for Bhagavad Gita shlok number 1, for depression press this, for this press this. But मैं बड़ा हैरान होता हूँ, उसमें कहीं ये नहीं लिखा होता कि for love press this, for care press this. It's always written for depression press this, for death press this, for this as a so we want to push Dukhalya Shashwatam in our face. So but जितना भी हमारे जो प्रश्न हैं, स्पेशली जो देवी देवताओं की पूजा से रिलेटेड, उसका आंसर गोविंद देव जी बहुत जगह देते हैं एक्चुअली इन भगवद गीता। और अगर हम ठीक से पढ़ेंगे तो हम पाएंगे कि हमारे प्रश्नों के उत्तर बड़े ही आसानी से मिल जाते हैं। हमें इधर उधर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बल्कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी नो द आंसर बट वी डोंट वांट टू walk the talk. And sometimes we devotees, they are soft hearted, we are sentimental, and we push that in the name of simplicity or liberalism or humility, everything is there. But there was a lecture I heard many years back in Vrindavan, the Prabhupada disciple, and he said that speaking strongly in the service of Prabhupada is the real humility. He says that everybody likes humility. Oh, he's very soft spoken, he's very this. But he says, I really like that, that part of Prabhuji's lecture in Vrindavan. And he says that because we know everybody likes humility. Even if we are not faking it out, but we know we like it and everybody else also like it. But he said that real humility is speaking strongly in the service of Srila Prabhupada, in the teachings of Prabhupada, in the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like this. So I hope आज जो ये हम श्लोक पढ़ रहे हैं, by some arrangement, the shlok has come, and so our concept will be clear. This is 4.12 Bhagavad Gita. Kankanshita karmanam siddhim yajanta यह देवता क्षिप्रम ही मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. So ये क्या कह रहे हैं? Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada. Men in this world desire success in fruitive activities, and therefore they worship the demigods. So this is the mentality of those who are worshipping the demigods. And what happens? Quickly, of course, men get result from fruitive work in this world. They get quick results. Purport. There is a great misconception about the gods or demigods of this material world. And men of less intelligence, although passing as great scholars, take these demigods to be various forms of the Supreme Lord. तो सबसे बड़ी जो गलती है वो ये करते हैं कि ये भारत में ज़्यादा प्रचलित है, बाहर तो ऐसा नहीं है. There are some Greek gods or demigods, but they don't really treat them as gods. और ये भारत में ऐसा है, और इसका रीज़न ये है कि they think the demigods to be various forms of the Supreme Lord, like his expansions, Actually, Prabhupada लिखते हैं आगे, the demigods are not different forms of the god, but they are gods different parts and parcels, like we are. God is one, and the parts and parcels are many. The Vedas say Nityo Nityanam, God is one. Ishvara Parama Krishna, the Supreme God is one, Krishna. And the demigods are delegated with powers to manage this material world. These demigods are living entities, Nityanam, with different grades of material power. Hmm? So they have material power, they don't have any spiritual power. Hmm? They cannot be equal to the Supreme God, Narayan, Vishnu, or Krishna. Anyone who thinks that God and the demigods are on the same level is called an atheist or Pashandi. This comes from Srimad Bhagavatam and also Hari Bhakti Vilas. कि anybody who thinks, ये usually भारतीय ऐसे नहीं सोचते हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि बड़े पायस लोग हैं, क्योंकि वो सोच रहे हैं कि ये पवित्र लोग हैं, बड़े पायस लोग हैं. But Bhagavatam Hari Bhakti Vilas says anybody who thinks that God and demigods, because why they are worshipping demigod? What is the purpose? I mean, what is the mentality behind? Because they think they are independent. Independently, they can give me something. That is the subconscious. So it says anyone who thinks that God and the demigods are on the same level is called an atheist or Pashandi. Even the great demigods like Brahma and Shiva cannot be compared to the Supreme Lord. In fact, the Lord is worshipped by the demigods such as Brahma and Shiva. Shiva Virinchi Nutam. This is from Bhagavatam. Shiva Virinchi means great demigods like Lord Shiva and Brahma. And Nutam means they bow down. So that's the Bhagavatam. It's from Bhagavatam. Yet, curiously enough, there are many human leaders who are worshipped by foolish men under the misunderstanding of anthropomorphism or zoomorphism. So कह रहे हैं ये सब होते हुए भी कि जब इतने बड़े, अब प्रभुपाद और एक स्टेप आगे कर रहे हैं कि आप जो एक जो कर्मी हैं वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि प्रभुपाद कि आप इनको तो छोड़िए कि ब्रह्मा और शिवा को who are worshipping, but even they worship even great leaders also. Or also they're saying men under the misunderstanding of anthropomorphism or zoomorphism. That means basically to consider, say, human a god, or to give a shape, of an animal or somebody and say he's God, like that. Iha Devata denotes a powerful man or demigod of this material world. Oh, so Prabhupada लिख रहे हैं ये जो श्लोक में सेकेंड लाइन है, देखिए लिखा है यजंत इह देवता. So Prabhupada लिख रहे हैं कि ये जो इह देवता लिखा है, it doesn't just means demigod, but it denotes a powerful man or demigod of this material world. Position is same. Somebody is very powerful here. He's also like Devta because he has a lot of power, like a chief minister or a prime minister or a president or a defense minister or a MLA, whomsoever may say, they have power in their hand. They have power. They are like a Devta. Because what do Devtas have? They have power. They are administrative controllers and they have power in their hand. But Narayan, Vishnu or Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, does not belong to this world. He is above or transcendental to the material creation. Even Sripad Shankaracharya, the leader of the impersonalists, maintains that the Narayan or Krishna is beyond this material creation. However, foolish people, hit jnana, अब प्रपद क्या लिख रहे हैं? Foolish people or hit jnana. Hit jnana comes from Bhagavad Gita 7.20, which says Kamaistaitar hit jnana prabadya anya devata. So those who people who worship Anya Devata, Krishna calls them hit jnana, which means they are foolish people. Worship the demigods because they want immediate results. Another issue with the demigod worship, ये खास तौर से हमारे भारतवर्ष के लिए है, क्योंकि जो demigod worshippers are basically demigod, what should I say, fearers. There is a fear which is put for demigods. If you don't do this, then this will happen to you, to your brother, to your sister, to your wife, to your home. like this. So what has happened? They are demigod fearers. They fear. आज भी जब भक्त लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, what are they fearing? If I stop this worship, then this should not be something, somebody should not get upset. It is not out of love, it is out of fear. Because जितने भी पुराण और ये जो who are in the mode of ignorance, what do they put? They put fear of the demigod in us. So in one sense, it is helpful for a karmi, because at least he is fearing somebody superior. Other, they don't fear anybody. That is the only benefit you get out of it. That somebody is fearing, at least हमें at least किसी से तो डर लग रहा है. Okay, इंद्र, अग्नि, चंद्र, कोई भी है, ब्रह्मा, शिव, किसी से तो हमें डर लग रहा है. So like that. So but they put fear in them. ये नहीं हुआ, इतनी सारी कथाएं आती हैं, उसकी आंखें जल गई, उसका घर जल गया, उसका ऐसे हो गया, उसका ऐसे हो गया, like this. So it is given. And why these people are called, and it is given to the less intelligent, because they cannot understand the spiritual reality. So just to bring them one step forward, this thing is given. Whereas in Krishna consciousness or in Krishna bhakti, there is no fear. आप देखिए, आप लोगों को कितने साल हो गए क्लासेस अटेंड करते हुए. Do we put fear of God in anybody? No. Rather we say कि जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा लड़खड़ाते हुए या एक कोई गलत सब्जी भी बना के लाता है तो पिता को अच्छी लगती है. अगर वो तुतला के भी बोलता है तो पिता को अच्छा लगता है. This is how we speak about God. We don't want to put fear. Rather, we encourage to develop a loving relationship. So it is हमारे दिल में पीछे बैक ऑफ द माइंड क्या रहता है? फियर. इनका कुछ बंद किया तो यहाँ से धड़ाम से कुछ आएगा, ये नाराज हो जाएंगे मेरे से, भली चंगी जिंदगी चल रही है मुश्किल से, और इनका भी कुछ साथ में आया, like this. Because we still think they are independent, but they are not independent. They are completely dependent on Krishna. Without you see, all our जितने भी हमारी इंद्रियां हैं, each of them is in charge, is a demigod. जितनी भी हमारी इंद्रियां, इन सब के एक कोई देवी देवता इंचार्ज हैं. जीवा के, आंखों के, नाक के, सिर के, हाथों के, उंगलियों के, हर एक चीज के. But they cannot do anything without the sanction of Paramatma. It's a very simple example to understand. They cannot do anything without sanction of Paramatma ji. Nothing they can do. But they are servants of the Lord. They serve, and in a normal common man, the Paramatma ji doesn't interfere. But for a devotee, it is very different. And इसीलिए जब वो हम देखते हैं कि कैसे, कितनी बार हम पढ़ते हैं कि कैसे जब जब एक सिंपल एक कॉमन मैन भक्ति में आता है, so even the Jyotish, they don't read their hand, because they see we cannot read. If somebody is a devotee, we cannot read, because anything can happen like that, because there is no relevance. It is gone. So we are no longer under the control of the material energy. We get transferred. हमारा जो बागडोर है वो भगवान के हाथों में, और या भगवान की जो अंतरंगा शक्ति है उनके हाथों में आ जाता है. So they have no jurisdiction. Similar to जैसे जो अजामिल के डेथ बेड के ऊपर जब वो यमदूत आए तो विष्णुदूत ने उनको भगा दिया, because they have no jurisdiction. It's a very good example. हम लोग यही सोचते हैं कि चलो किसी तरह उसने भगवान का नाम लिया, पर अगर हम सूक्ष्म रूप से देखेंगे तो हम पाएंगे कितनी सटलिटीज हैं अजामिल की कथा के अंदर. बिकॉज एक बार भगवान का नाम लेने से, देखिए उस व्यक्ति ने एक बार भगवान का नाम लिया, वो भी मृत्यु आने के टाइम के ऊपर, एक बार, जस्ट वन, एंड द जो यमदूत हैं दे कुड नॉट कम, एंड द विष्णुदूत सेज ही इज आवर्स. और अगर आप भागवतम पढ़ेंगे उनको भगा दिया उन्होंने. They had to run away and they came to यमराज and उन्होंने बोला कि आज तक तो हम सोचते थे आप ही हैं सारी सृष्टि के करते धरता. This is the mentality of demigod worshippers. So यमराज said no, I never said like that. और मेरे से ऊपर कृष्ण है. और फिर उन्होंने बताया कैसे, बताते हैं यमराज कि कैसे वो 12 महाजन है. ये वो जो हम 12 महाजन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं वो यमराज स्वयं बताते हैं कि हम 12 महाजन हैं जिनको पता है what is the principle of religion. We understand. 12 of us, we understand like that. So who are these 12? servants of the God. They are not independent. Like this. So एक आप देखिए सिंपल विष्णुदेव आके एक somebody who's on deathbed, उन्होंने यमदूतों का भगा दिया. तो जो भक्त इतने टाइम तक भगवान का नाम लेते हैं, उन्होंने एक बार लिया, भक्त लोग 16 माला करते हैं, तो 25,000 नाम लेते हैं आप लोग हर रोज. Then we should know under whose control we are. Like this. However, foolish people, Hritgyana, worship the demigods because they want immediate result. They get the results. So ऐसा नहीं है कि result नहीं मिलते. You will get the result for sure because it is given in the Vedas. But do not know that the results so obtained are temporary and are meant for less intelligent people. जिसे मैंने आपको बताया, जितनी भी पुरानी कथाएं हैं, वो क्या है, उनके बारे में डर पैदा करती हैं. कितने लोग हैं जो बैठ के इंद्र की सजावट करते हैं बैठ के, हाँ, या जितने भी देवी देवता हैं, कितने कितने दिन घंटों घंटों बैठ के बातें करते हैं, कभी नहीं पाएंगे, है ना. बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ईदर इज ए बिजनेस डीलिंग, वी वांट समथिंग, वी आर प्रेइंग, और वी आर फियरफुल, यू नो. बट कृष्ण के साथ ऐसा नहीं है ना. भक्त लोग आधा आधा घंटा, एक घंटा लगा के ठाकुर जी की सेवा करते हैं, उनको नहलाते हैं, धुलाते हैं, उनकी अलग अलग तरह से पोशाक बनाते हैं, अलग अलग तरह से ड्रेसअप करते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं करते हैं कि किसी एक मौसम में घर को लेकर आए भगवान जी को और वो महीने के बाद उनको नदी में बहना दिया कि चलिए ठीक है अगले साल फिर आइएगा. You can see what is the mentality of the people who bring them home and then after 1 month, you know, we do Visarjan and say, okay, Tata, bye bye, see you next year. What is the mentality of such people? You know. So all this is also settled in our consciousness also because हम भी इसी environment में पले बड़े हुए हैं. The intelligent person is in Krishna consciousness and he has no need to worship. अब देखिए ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं हम और देखिए आंसर लिखे हैं यहाँ. The intelligent person is in Krishna consciousness and he has no need to worship the paltry Prabhupada is not saying demigods. He is using the word paltry. Paltry means छोटे से, मतलब बड़ा तुच्छ, like this, like this. He is qualifying the word demigods by prefixing the word paltry. There is no need to worship the paltry demigods for some immediate temporary benefit. The demigods of this material world, as well as their worshippers, will vanish with the annihilation of this material world. कि जो देवी देवता हैं और जो इनके जो पूजा करने वाले भी हैं, जब प्रलय आती है या जब उसके बाद they are also gone and they are also gone because somebody else takes the post of the demigods. The boons of the demigods are material and temporary. हमेशा याद रखिए जो भी आशीर्वाद मिलते हैं, कई बार भक्त लोग सेंटिमेंटल होके बोलते हैं वो हम भक्ति में उनकी तरफ से आ गए या हम उनके पास गए थे तो उन्होंने भक्ति में क्योंकि हमारी इच्छा नहीं थी. ऐसा नहीं है. It is not given in भगवद गीता like this. अगर भगवद गीता पढ़ेंगे उसमें ऐसे कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि अगर भगवान आपसे प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे, शिव जी, ब्रह्मा जी या माता रानी, तो आपको कृष्ण की तरफ ले जाएंगे. आप कभी प्रभुपाद से नहीं सुनेंगे ऐसे कहते हुए. बल्कि भगवान क्या बोलते हैं भगवद गीता में, यान्ति देवा वृता देवान पितृ यान्ति पृथ्विता. If you worship Pitra, you will go to the Pitralok. If you worship demigods, you will go to demigods because you are attached to them. You will obviously go there only. So we should sharpen our intelligence to read Prabhupada books carefully. Then our intelligence will be sharpened. Most of the time devotees are innocent. Because हमें मालूम ही नहीं होता है. But मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ वो मालूम नहीं होने का जो उपाय है वो ये है कि हम प्रभुपाद की पुस्तकों को ध्यान से पढ़ें. And then all these questions will be answered ourselves only. We don't have to answer. और also जब हम उत्तर देते हैं, अगर हम व्यास पूजा पे, व्यास आसन पे बैठे हैं और उत्तर दे रहे हैं, then our intelligence will also be sharpened to give right answers, that we don't get hodgepodge answers and confuse somebody further down, So we'll read further. The boons of demigods are material and temporary. Both the material worlds and their inhabitants, including the demigods and their worshippers, are bubbles in the cosmic manifestation. देखिए कि both the material worlds and their inhabitants, including the demigods and their worshippers, are bubbles in the cosmic ocean. कभी इकट्ठे आए, कभी गए, फिर वो खत्म हुआ, लहर अगला प्रलय शुरू हुई, some new set of demigods, some different consciousness of the same people, और आप उसी में पुनरपि जननम पुनरपि मननम लगे रहिए. In this world, however, human society is mad after temporary things, such as material opulence of possessing land, family, and enjoyable paraphernalia. To achieve such temporary things, people worship the demigods or powerful men in human society. देखिए यहाँ पर again Prabhupada is qualifying Devta not only as demigods but also as powerful men. Why? Because the demigods are nothing more than powerful men and women in a higher post. और ये पुराणों में लिखा है कि अगर आपको कोई बीमारी है तो अगर आप सूर्य देव को पूजा करेंगे, so the बीमारी will be gone, and it will be gone. It is not written wrong. If you want a beautiful wife, worship Uma. You want a beautiful, good husband, worship Lord Shiva. And if you do this, you will get it. It is not you won't get it, but it is all temporary. It has nothing to do with our soul. It is to do with our consciousness कि we want something immediate, and they will give. We don't believe in what is written. In हमारे भाग्य में क्या लिखा है, उस पर हमें यकीन नहीं है, बल्कि हम अपना जो है, हमारी जो इंद्रिय तृप्ति है या जो हमारी इच्छाएं हैं, वो हम देवी देवताओं को पूजा करके उसकी तृप्ति करना चाहते हैं.
दूसरी कौन सी है?
हरे कृष्ण. Sorry, I think I muted. If a man gets some ministership in the government by worshipping a political leader, he considers that he has achieved a great boon. ऐसे होता है, हम पढ़ते हैं कि कोई पॉलिटिकल लीडर है, उसके बड़े सारे वर्शिपर्स या चमचे या उसके क्या बोल सकते हैं, पीपल हु लाइक हिम, दैट पर्सनैलिटी एंड व्हाटएवर, एंड वो उनकी सेवा करते हैं. और जब वो पॉलिटिकल लीडर पावर में आते हैं, फिर वो लोग जिन्होंने उनकी बाकी टाइम में सेवा की है, दे गेट डिफरेंट पोस्ट. और जब वो पोस्ट मिलती है तो लिख रहे हैं प्रभुपाद कि वो व्यक्ति सोचता है कि मुझे कोई बहुत बड़ा आशीर्वाद मिला है. सोचते भी हैं ऐसा नहीं है. All of them are therefore not owing to the so-called leaders or big guns in order to achieve temporary boons. तो आपको कुछ मिला, पर जो मिला वो क्या है? It is क्षणिक. क्षणिक in the longer sense. And they indeed achieve such things. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी पॉलिटिकल करके कोई फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर बन गया, then he will appoint his followers in a some post where they get some benefit. Such foolish men are not interested in Krishna consciousness. What are they called? Foolish. Such foolish men are not interested in Krishna consciousness. Whereas we say in our liberal attitude, they are very good people, no problem, they are following Vedas. One day they will come. No, here it is written, such foolish men are not interested in Krishna consciousness. But the trick lies in not calling people foolish. But when we read, then हमें अंदर से ही अपने आप को झिझकोट में होती है, and then we feel, what am I doing like this? Then people think, what I am doing? मुझे कितना ज्ञान है, मुझे कितनी नॉलेज है, क्या मुझे पता है देवी देवता कौन है, भगवान है कौन है, कभी मैंने सोचा? Then that shake up may help somebody to find out little more like that. That is the art, that we don't call you a foolish, you are worshiping, not like that. But we should have full conviction, and we should speak with full conviction, not criticizing neither the people nor the demigod for sure. Such foolish men are not interested in Krishna consciousness for the permanent solution to the hardship of the material existence. Because they are not interested in a permanent solution, we are interested in a temporary solution. हमारा भी भक्ति के आने के बाद भी ऐसे ही हाल रहता है. We are not interested in a permanent solution, we are interested in a temporary solution. That is जिसको बोलते हैं कि एक immediate benefit और एक long term benefit. So everybody, we also want an immediate benefit. We are not interested in a long-term benefit. They are all after sense enjoyment. And to get a little facility for sense enjoyment, they are attracted to the worshipping and powered living entities known as demigods. So that is the bhavna, that whatever sense gratification, the sense gratification can also be take care of us. Nothing should happen to my mother, my father, my house, my, whatever I'm feeling. That is also sense gratification. So in that manner, they worship empowered living entities. This is the demigods. क्या है? Empowered living entities. और इसीलिए see, the political leaders are also empowered because they have power to take some decisions which affect everybody, like that. This verse indicates that people are rarely interested in Krishna consciousness. या सुबह हमने श्लोक पढ़ा था, मनुष्यानाम सहर्षेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धया, that among thousands of men, somebody comes and tries to achieve for perfection. Yeah, atato brahma jigyasa, that one thinks, who am I? And otherwise people are not interested. और हम देखते भी हैं जब हम प्रचार करते हैं, people are not interested, they have no interest. भक्ति में भी आते हैं तो सोचते हैं कि चलो कुछ इट विल बी लाइक ए स्पिरिचुअल गेट टुगेदर, या कुछ चलो ये भी एक हमारे पूरी एक पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में एक ये भी होना चाहिए स्पिरिचुअल, लाइक दैट. सम इंक्विजिटिवनेस इज देयर, but they are rarely not interested in Krishna consciousness or bhakti yoga. And what they are interested in? They are mostly interested in material enjoyment, and therefore they worship some powerful living entity. They are interested in some material enjoyment, therefore they worship some powerful living entity. So we should know that जैसे हम लोग हैं उसी तरह से ही देवी देवता है. Only thing is, and the example जो हमने देखा प्रभुपाद ने दिया, क्या दिया कि जैसे कोई पॉलिटिकल लीडर हैं, बड़े लीडर हैं, उनके जो चमचे हैं, they get some post. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं मिलती है, they will get, but it is temporary. उनकी भी प्रलय आती है 5 साल के बाद या 10 साल के बाद, वो भी चले जाते हैं, और जो जहाँ उन्होंने अपॉइंट किया वो भी चले जाते हैं, है ना. उसमें आपने जो कमाया, जो किया, वो ठीक है, like that. But it is meant for foolish people because it's a temporary arrangement. और प्रभुपाद बोलते भी हैं, एक लेक्चर में बोल रहे थे कि कैसे कि जो हिंदूज हैं एक्चुअली दे गेट क्रिटिसाइज द मोस्ट, बिकॉज लोग बोलते हैं जो दूसरे धर्मों के लोग हैं कि इनके बहुत सारे भगवान हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है. प्रभुपाद एक लेक्चर में बोल रहे थे कि कोई भी जो सीरियस स्टूडेंट है उपनिषद का, ही नोज दैट demigods are described as a servants of the Lord. Those who, the Gyanis and all, they don't worship any demigod, because they know they have only for the material world. They don't have anything to do with our soul. So इसी तरह से जब हम भगवान की भक्ति में आते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं, तो हमें ज़रूर ये पता रहना चाहिए कि देवी देवताओं में और भगवान में क्या फ़र्क है. और दूसरा ये भी मानना चाहिए जो श्रीमद् भागवतम का श्लोक है, कैसे कि जो पेड़ की जड़ है, अगर उसमें पानी डालते हैं तो पूरा पेड़ हरा भरा हो जाता है. So we should know, even if earlier we were worshipping somebody, we were out of ignorance, out of family culture, है ना, कुछ भी रह सकता है, ऐसा नहीं. This is a good culture, at least. We are not atheist, but हमें ये पूरा इस बात पे भरोसा होना चाहिए कि अगर हम हमारे हृदय में अगर सिर्फ ठाकुर जी के चरण है, तो then it means all the demigods are happy with us. In that manner we can take. Not that when they will become happy, they will take us towards Krishna, कि ओके आओ चलो अब वहाँ लेके चलते हैं. Not like this. But knowing कि if इनका जो whole जो पूरा जो ये भौतिक जगत है, इसकी सृष्टि क्यों हुई है? एक हमारी इंद्र तृप्ति के लिए, और दूसरा हमारी जो रेबेलियस नेचर है, जो भगवान से विमुख होके आए हैं, वो वापस भगवान की तरफ मुख करने के लिए, लाइक दैट. सो जब वो देखते हैं, चाहे वो जेल के सुपरिटेंडेंट हैं, ऑफिसर हैं, या चपरासी हैं, या जो भी हैं, जब वो देखते हैं कि ये व्यक्ति अब भगवान की तरफ मुख कर गया है, सो ही विल बी नेचुरली हैप्पी, बिकॉज दैट इज अ पर्पस ऑफ बीइंग इन द प्रिजन, कि हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस को ठीक किया जाए. सो हमेशा इस बात पे पूरा यकीन होना चाहिए कि अगर हम भगवान की भक्ति करते हैं तो एक दो चार नहीं बल्कि जो पूरे 33 करोड़ देवी देवता हैं, they all become very happy because they are very good servants of the Lord. They are very what should I say? They are very proud servants of the Lord. So it is not they don't have any fault is with us that we see them independent. और कभी भी हमें देवी देवताओं को चाहे कोई भी हो, ब्रह्मा जी, शिव जी, सरस्वती, we should never see them independent. They are not independent. They are completely dependent on the Lord. Without Lord's sanction, they cannot do anything. आप सोचते हैं कि भगवान की सैंक्शन के बगैर जो इंद्र है, he attacked वृंदावन with a thunderbolt. He cannot do. है ना? He cannot even put a drop of water on any place without the sanction. But Lord allows it to play a particular pastime like that, है ना? And to mend the consciousness. और हम देखते हैं जो पूरा जो वो गिरिराज धारण की जो सारी जो लीला है, उसके बाद he becomes a humble person because he's so powerful. He's so powerful that power gets to his head, you know. So he says कि I'm very sorry, and then he does his abhishek. So in a very nice manner, he uses all his power, but that power also he's using is by the sanction of the Lord. Independently, he cannot do anything. Nobody can do independently. So main जो श्लोक जिसे हम पढ़ते हैं बार बार कि भगवद गीता का, वो हमेशा श्लोक याद रखिए 7.20 का कि क्या है वो, काम है स्थायितर हृत ज्ञाना यजंती अन्य देवता। और एक और 9वें अध्याय में बोलते हैं भगवान अविधि पूर्वकम। ही सेज आई थिंक 9.25 ही सेज कि जो भगवान जो देवी देवताओं की पूजा करते हैं कैसे करते हैं, अविधि पूर्वकम। इट इज नॉट डन इन ए प्रॉपर मैनर। और आपको मैं एक पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ आपको। एनीवे आई विल सेंड यू द लिंक, यू कैन रीड। मैं आपको एक क्या है टिप बताता हूँ। अगर आपके पास कोई भी किसी भी तरह का प्रश्न हो, आप वो प्रश्न टाइप करिए और उसके आगे लिखिए डॉट, देन राइट श्रील प्रभुपाद एंड हिट द एंटर की ऑन योर लैपटॉप or your phone. Okay, and you will get the answers. If you don't get the answer, then after Srila Prabhupada, write Vanipedia, Vanipedia. Topic wise you will get. And you will understand what is the Acharya saying about it. We are not interested in what a sentimentalist is saying, what a different devotees are saying in different manner. We want to see what is Acharya saying, because we have to follow his instruction. Because all of us are in material modes. But Acharya, he is above the three modes of nature. So what he is saying, in his books is absolute for us. So जब हम पढ़ेंगे, then we will find that what is his mood, what is he saying. And then once अगर हमारे मन में अपनी conviction आती है, then it is very easy for us to mend our life also and to guide others also properly, not in a hodgepodge manner. एक लेक्चर था प्रभुपाद का इसके ऊपर, मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ, उसमें थोड़ा सा इसी श्लोक के ऊपर। One who is convinced that I am not this body does not go to all these demigods. He at once takes shelter of the Supreme Lord. One who has understood the spiritual nature of the living being is called Gyanwan. उनको क्या बोला? हित ज्ञान, कि जिनकी they are foolish because their intelligence is covered. और इनको क्या बोल रहे हैं? One who has understood the spiritual nature of the living being is called Gyanwan. Bahunam janmanam ante Gyanwan mam prapadyante. One who has become really learned, even if after many, many births, when he knows that I am not this body, I am spirit. My advancement and my happiness depends on the advancement of my spiritual life. Dwara Partha is a very wonderful line. Prabhupada is right, saying, my advancement and my happiness depend on the advancement of my spiritual life. If we want to become happy, then what do we need to do? I need to advance in my spiritual life. एक बार और पढ़ता हूँ, तीसरी बार पढ़ी, सुनिए। माई एडवांसमेंट एंड माई हैप्पीनेस डिपेंड ऑन द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ माई स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ. Such a person can only take shelter of Krishna. Of course, others who are distressed or in need of some wealth also go to worship Krishna. अब क्वेश्चन है कि अब क्या करें, कि अभी हमें कठिनाइयां हैं, मुश्किल है, मेरी आई एम नॉट सो मेच्योर इन भक्ति, so I have desires, I have problems which I am unable to face, then what should I do? Then there's Prabhupada saying that you can still take shelter of Krishna and ask him. चतुर्विधा भजन्ते माम जना सुकृतिनो अर्जुना आर्थो जिज्ञासु अर्थार्थी ज्ञानी चा भारतर्षभा. कि चार काइंड ऑफ, ही सेज कि चार तरह के लोग मेरी भक्ति करने के लिए आते हैं. जिसको कोई कठिनाई है, जिसको कोई धन चाहिए, और जो जिज्ञासु है, he is inquisitive, he doesn't have love, but he, and that he was a ज्ञानी. तो चार तरह के आते हैं, पर उन चारों क्या बोलते हैं? जना सुकृतिनो अर्जुना. सुकृति, they have piety, that's why they are able to come to Krishna. और उसका फायदा क्या होता है? But the benefit is that even such persons who go to Krishna and worship him for some temporary relief, at the ultimate end will become devoid of all the material desires and will absolutely take shelter of him. There are many instances of that type, such as Dhruv Maharaj. So this is Prabhupada is speaking, कि कैसे कि भगवान की अगर हम शरण लेते हैं, चाहे हमें धन चाहिए या हमें कोई तकलीफ है या हमारे में कोई inquisitiveness है about spiritual life, or if we are a ज्ञानी, then we take shelter of Lord. Then what happens? Just by taking shelter of the Lord, then gradually our consciousness is purified and then we become devoid of all these material desires. और उसका उदाहरण कौन है? ध्रुव महाराज. Because he didn't worship Krishna for unalloyed devotion. He wanted उनको एक kingdom चाहिए था bigger than the kingdom of his grandfather, like that. He wanted a kingdom bigger than like that, biggest kingdom. He worshipped in a mode of a hurt. Dhruv Maharaj, that little boy, worshipped Lord Vishnu. But just by worshipping Lord Vishnu, when Lord Vishnu, when he manifested himself, जब प्रकट हुए, so then he says, I don't need anything. Like that. So this is the benefit. A jnani does not desire anything in exchange for his activities, but simply wants to know Krishna. What is my relationship with Krishna? That is jnani. तो जो ज्ञानवान है उसको डिफाइन कर रहे हैं प्रभुपाद कि ज्ञानवान कौन है? जो बदले में कुछ नहीं चाहता है. He is not doing a business relationship. That's why Krishna says, out of all these four, Jnani is I like the Jnani little bit more. Why? Because he doesn't want anything in return. He just wants to know, what is my relationship with Krishna? He has no other desire. Therefore, eko bhakti vishishyate. Eko bhakti vishishyate. This comes also in the 7th chapter. Eka matlab only, bhakti means devotional service, and vishishyate means special. So the only special is bhakti. In this way, Jnani has been eulogized. But even if I am not a Jnani, but a needy person, if I take to Krishna and ask him for relief, that process is also recommended. Because ultimately, when I'll be purified, I will know my real nature. I am a spirit soul and I am eternal servant of God. Then I shall say, like Dhruv Maharaj, Swamin Kartarthos Asmin Varam Nav Yache. My dear Lord, I am fully satisfied. I don't want anything. बस है कि हम भी जब प्यूरिफाइड हो जाएंगे तो हम भी यही प्रार्थना करेंगे ध्रुव महाराज की तरह. My dear Lord, I am fully satisfied. I don't want anything. Krishna consciousness is so bright and valuable that in the presence of such consciousness, you will refuse to have any valuable thing of this material world. So this is how we see from the eyes of the Guru Sadhu Shastra, and especially जब मैं इस तरह के प्रश्न सुनता हूँ और उनके उत्तर सुनता हूँ, तो मुझे यही लगता है कि भक्त हम लोग ठीक से भगवत गीता नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक से प्रभुपाद के लेक्चर नहीं सुन रहे हैं। और हर एक टॉपिक पे, जैसे मैंने बताया कि भगवत गीता में गोविंद देव जी ने बात की है। हम अगर उस श्लोक का हमारे पास, सबके पास, आपके पास ऐप है, जिनके पास नहीं है वो फिर से ले सकते हैं, या आप गूगल में उसी श्लोक का जिसमें आपको लगता है कृष्ण बोल रहे हैं या प्रभुपाद ने लिखा है, अगर आप वो सर्च करेंगे तो आपको प्रभुपाद का लेक्चर मिलेगा। हियर दैट लेक्चर एंड सी, एंड and take association of those devotees who are who are who are uh, aspiring to sharpen their intelligence through the lotus feet and the teachings of Srila Prabhupada. Very important. Sometimes we may find somebody very liberal, somebody very easygoing, and we say, yes, yes, this is very nice. But that is not, sadhu means heavy, sharp. When you hear Prabhupada, do we hear hodgepodge? We never hear hodgepodge. Very sharp. He never said you do this and you will follow this and that David demigod will take you. If you have no desire, he will take you here and he will take you there. Never. बल्कि भगवान स्वयं नहीं कहते हैं, देखिए आप, यान्ति देवा वृता देवान पितृ यान्ति पितृवृता, ओनली यान्ति मद याजिनो अपि मान, only those who worship me, they come to me. Where is he saying whosoever goes anywhere, they also come to me? This is Mayavad, because we're thinking all paths are leading one way, but all paths are not leading one way. Bhagavad Gita is saying all paths are leading in a different manner. You want to go there, you go there. You want to go other way, you go their way. You want to come my way, then worship me, then come my way. Like this. So it is very, very important to read Prabhupada books. बल्कि मेरे लिए भी प्रेरणा मिलती है मुझे ये सब प्रश्न उत्तर सुन के कि कितना ज़रूरी है प्रभुपाद की पुस्तकें पढ़ना और उनके बारे में सुनना, और अपनी जो इंटेलिजेंस है वी मस्ट शार्पन विद द टीचिंग्स ऑफ आवर फाउंडर आचार्य। आप देखिए कितने भक्त हैं जो सीनियर वैष्णव हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में, जो कितने सालों से प्रभुपाद भगवद गीता श्रीमद् भागवतम पढ़े, आज भी वही पढ़ते रहते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि आज वो गोविंद लीलामृत पढ़ रहे हैं या कोई एसोटेरिक बुक्स पढ़ रहे हैं, नो, बिकॉज दोज थिंग्स विल बी रिवील्ड इन द हार्ट। दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित, पढ़ के कुछ नहीं आएगा, बल्कि पढ़ के अगर उल्टा सीधा पढ़ेंगे, इधर उधर जाएंगे तो सोचेंगे कि समझ में आ गया, पर नहीं आएगा। We will lick the bottle of the honey from outside. We can write honey is viscous, honey is sweet, honey is brown color, honey is in a bottle, but we know we never tasted the honey. Neither anybody who has tasted the honey, he will hear it from us and he will know he has not tasted the honey. हाँ, जिन्होंने नहीं टेस्ट किया है, they can be fooled, they can be impressed because it's knowledge. You know, it's knowledge. Honey is brown, honey is viscous, comes in this bottle, this many jars, of course. But that is knowledge. Not even knowledge, that is information. It has no. So Krishna consciousness is not about information gathering. It is about realization. Realization happens by service. Realization happens by nishtha. Realization happens by becoming a dog of our spiritual master and our acharya. Then by their mercy, it is revealed in our heart. Otherwise, we end up going in an ascending path. Whereas we know our path is not ascending, it is descending path. कई बार सोचता हूँ कि अल्टर के सामने भक्तों के लगा होना चाहिए, we should write, या सीढ़ियाँ नीचे जाती हुई या ऊपर जाती हुई, which path we are taking today, ascending path or descending path? Ours is a descending path. Everything will come by the mercy of Krishna, and everything comes also by the mercy of Krishna. It is only our thought process कि हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं हम अपने आप कर जाएंगे, and it only creates havoc in our spiritual life. So that is why I again request all of you, जब भी कोई हमारे मन में इस तरह की किसी भी तरह का प्रश्न आता है, you write on Google Baba, write the question, put full stop, put the question as many less words as possible so the answer is sharp, then write dot Srila Prabhupada and enter, and it will come. Or if it doesn't come, then put Vanipedia. Vanipedia is a wonderful service done by devotees, and आज तक प्रभुपाद ने जितने भी lectures किए हैं, कुछ किए हैं, they are compiling all in topic wise, And gradually it is, churning and churning and wondering, becoming so wonderful, you know. So that is my request to you, that do not uh, let this golden opportunity go, where in this current scene, everything, all shastras are available in our palm top, our mobile, everything is available. We don't have to even wash our hands. आज से 30-40 साल पहले भी ऐसे नहीं पढ़ सकते थे ग्रंथ, आपको स्नान करके, कुल्ला करके, एक साफ आसन में बैठ के ही आप ग्रंथ पढ़ सकते हैं. इसीलिए वेदों की जो योग्यता है वो बाकी उनको नहीं थी, ब्राह्मण को ही थी. बिकॉज ब्राह्मण मीन्स क्लीन फ्रॉम इनसाइड, क्लीन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. Then they have right to read the scriptures. But by the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and special Srila Prabhupada, that is in our tips, we can just open, खाना खाते हुए, कुछ करते हुए हम लेक्चर सुन सकते हैं. किसी भी तरह, कभी भी हम किसी की वेट करते हुए, we can open pocket Vedas and open, Veda base, and we can read something. I shared that day that question answer, that how Veda Vanipedia has compiled all the question answers. सो मच. देखो, समझ नहीं आता, सारी उम्र क्वेश्चन आंसर ही पढ़ते रहे, या भगवत गीता पढ़ते रहे, या प्रभुपाद के लेटर पढ़ते रहे, या इनके लेक्चर्स की ट्रांसक्रिप्शन पढ़ते रहे, क्या क्या पढ़ते रहे. बट क्वेश्चन इज, जितना पढ़ेंगे उतना हमारी जो बुद्धि है, इट विल गेट शार्पन्ड, लाइक ए शार्प पेंसिल बाय हिज इंटेलिजेंस. देन वी विल सी थिंग्स एज ही वांट्स अस टू सी, लाइक दैट. एंड देन we will see, and gradually everything will be revealed in our heart. So this is the little discussion on our this topic. Somehow this got my attention, and I thought yesterday we also discussed, and today also it was there. I will end this, just read, I will read you a letter. Prabhupada. I also did the Google search. I'll send you the link also. What I did and what I searched. I don't know how to post, but anyway, I will post. Anyway, I don't want to post also because some are very hard hitting. But you can write demigod worship Srila Prabhupada and just enter and then see what comes up. One letter I will read it to you so you get the mood. Letter to Sat Swarup, Los Angeles, 25th February 1968. You may also know that Ramakrishna's worship of Kali makes him a third-class man. He's talking about Ramakrishna Paramahansa. So just hear it again now. You may know also that Ramakrishna's worship of Kali makes him a third-class man. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is stated that one who worships the demigods, just like Brahma, Shiva, Indra, Chandra, or demigoddess like Kali, Durga, Saraswati, are described as persons who have lost their intelligence. One person who has lost his intelligence, how can he become an incarnation of the God? Prabhupada is connecting, वो उससे connect कर रहे हैं कि हित ज्ञाना, कि जिसका ज्ञान ही हित हो गया हो, how can he become an incarnation of the Lord? Logic. A person who has lost his intelligence is not even counted among the higher section of the society. So the Ramakrishna is a bogus man according to the statements of Bhagavad Gita. So how is Prabhupada's intelligence sharpened? By Bhagavad Gita. What is written in Bhagavad Gita? What is Govinda Dev saying? Vivekananda was also not even an intelligent man because he accepted Ramakrishna as incarnation of the God. Not from his knowledge, but because he accepted him as incarnation. So he's saying not very intelligent. This Ramakrishna, who is actually Gadadhar Chatterjee, Prabhupada is giving his name. This Ramakrishna, who is actually Gadadhar Chatterjee, declared himself as the same Ram and Krishna. If he is accepted as such by some person, is he a very intelligent man? Suppose a man comes before somebody and says he is President Johnson, and the foolish man accepts pretender as President Johnson. Is that man to be accepted as very intelligent man? Vivekananda was not even an intelligent man because he accepted Gadadhar Chatterjee as incarnation of God without any credentials. We accept Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, on the evidence of Vedic scriptures, not sentimental, not blind faith. There is no evidence in the Vedic scriptures that a common, unintelligent person By worshipping a demigoddess Kali can become incarnation of the Godhead. The goddess Kali is a divine mother for the conditioned souls, not for the liberated souls. There is no direction in the Vedic literature that one can become liberated even by worshipping the goddess Kali. She is the superintendent of the prison house known as material world. One can derive some material facilities by worshipping Kali or Durga, but nobody can become liberated by worshipping such demigoddesses. So, what to speak of becoming an incarnation of the Godhead? So, the propaganda that Ramakrishna became incarnation of God by worshipping Kali is not accepted by any authorized acharya, or therefore it is a bogus propaganda. One who follows, therefore, such bogus propaganda is also misled as far as his spiritual advancement is concerned. So you see, I just read this is the top one of the search. So it is not he's envious of anybody. He's not envious of either of them, the personalities we have spoken or the demigod. But he's saying from the eyes of the शास्त्र चक्षु से बता रहे हैं कि कौन इनकारनेशन होना चाहिए, कौन व्यक्ति बुद्धिमान समझना चाहिए, किसको नहीं समझना चाहिए, और उनकी गति क्या होती है, like this. So this is how we can sharpen our intelligence. And like I said कि हमारा बहुत सौभाग्य है कि हमारे पास ये सारे ग्रंथ हमें available है. And we should be very very careful of that whatever we hear, we should ask Praman. It is another way Prabhupada always asked, okay, you are saying something, give Praman. Where it is written, give a Praman. And Prabhupada, अगर आप उनके लेक्चर सुनेंगे, आई थिंक कोई भी लेक्चर ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसमें उन्होंने 10-15 श्लोक नहीं कोट किए होंगे. जो हम पढ़ भी रहे हैं, जब हम भगवद गीता पढ़ते हैं, जब हम ऑफलाइन मिलके पढ़ते थे, हम कैसे पढ़ते थे कि इस लाइन का क्या मतलब है, ये श्लोक है, इसका क्या मतलब है, ये श्लोक है. He is literally writing shlokas after shloka in a simple English, which we accept like that. So that is seeing from the eyes, Shastra Chakshu. Somebody has Shastra Chakshu. He's seeing everything from Shastras, not in a sentimental way, So मेरी आप सब लोगों से हाथ जोड़ के यही प्रार्थना है कि प्रभुपाद की पुस्तकें पढ़िए, और ये सौभाग्य है हमारा कि उनकी पुस्तकें, उनके लेक्चर, उनके पत्र, और उनके जो क्वेश्चन देखिए अभी जो भक्तों ने पूछे हैं उनसे, और उनके उत्तर, देन वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ seeing everything from the eyes of the Shastra. What is the meaning of time, place, circumstance? We should not misuse exploit this term time, place, circumstance. Rather, whatever Prabhupada did was time, place, circumstance. Because he knows as with time, place, circumstance, what to give. But whatever is giving is as per Shastra. Without being envious, without criticizing anybody, he's giving. That is why everybody loved him so much. Because they saw he's non-envious. He's criticizing great personalities, but not out of enviousness, but from the Shastra he's saying. He's waking up people. Don't be blind, don't do blind following. Open your eyes and read from the Shastras. And that he has translated for us. रात को 8 बजे सो के, 9 बजे सो के, 11 बजे उठ के, और फिर 1 बजे से लेके 4 बजे तक, 5 बजे तक ट्रांसलेशन करके किसके लिए किया उन्होंने? हम लोगों के लिए. और अगर हम ही लोग नहीं पढ़ेंगे, सो वो हमारा is not a very good way of showing gratitude. So it's 8:30. We've taken, and but I thought it is little necessary to speak on this topic, and also on the topic of properly reading Srila Prabhupada books is very important, and not become sentimental, but see everything and take pride in speaking from Shastra. There's no harm. We will not criticize. Rather, we'll be pleasing our Acharya. Prabhupada, ek mein padh raha tha, ek Prabhupada was saying, my Guru Maharaj never compromised. And he says, I never compromise. And he says, I'm telling you, never compromise. If we compromise, then we are diluting the teachings. That's not a very nice thing. Hare Krishna. So, we have any question or comment? Otherwise, there is chat. I didn't see. Bhuvanman Mataji. Hare Krishna, Bhuvanman Mataji. Ronnie Prabhu is saying, Hare Krishna, Prabhu, Lord Shiva is one of the Mahajans, have responsibility of preaching Krishna consciousness. So if Lord Shiva finds some favorable soul, won't he redirect to Krishna if the follower is sincere? In the section we discussed that demigod don't redirect souls. Yes, they don't redirect souls. We read that. Ruchi Mataji is saying, thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Ruchi Mataji. So we will end the class now. Vancha kalpatrubhescha kripa sindhubhe pavnebhyo.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare
Thank
Krishna.
you so much.
Thank you, Mataji.